there is my princess. What's up, baby?
Hey baby, what's up?
How are you feeling? You feeling better?
Yeah, I'm feeling much better.
Trust me, baby, we feel wholly better. Alright, so after we got a doctor today, we get some good news.
Good news?
Y'all gonna love this, trust me.
Alright.
After all the trying, we are trying thing.
Yes.
We're pregnant.
Oh God! For real?
Yes, we're pregnant.
Hey man, shooting a babe. Puh, puh, puh. Yo, puh, puh.
What babes?
Puh. Yo.
I know yours.
Puh. What you mean I don't feel me? Then I over. Hey, I over.
I don't feel neither.
If I don't feel him under this one, and I don't feel me, then I fool.
I feel up this one.
Congrats, my boss. Oh, God, no. Yo, it was popping, everybody. It is I, Kevin Duke, and you already know what you need for it. Hit the like button right over there, so hit the like button, Go and go hit the like button, just hit the like button. I may have to tell you one more time, hit the like button, share it with your friends, you know. I would appreciate it. I have two more things to say. The shirts, they are ready. The link for the shirts will be in the description, so you can go ahead and copy yourself a Kevin 2 Crazy shirt already. If you want to know what they look like, go over to my fan page. Any other question, you go over to my fan page, chat to me about it. Final thing now, blue, white, yellow, red, green, orange, what me I talk about? Colors, Chancellor part, colors. This Friday, November 8th, part, where me say? Part, colors. Chancellor and Red Stripe put it on. It will be at the Students' Union. You know, the Lion Arts a Chancellor always put on the top of that part. People, that party, yeah, I got shot more than a shootout. You see, same thing me I tell you. This is the wild card edition. What them say, expect anything, I'ma feel like say, me I go pull up on a party there, on an elephant. Colors! November 8th, you Students' Union, make sure say you're dead. That party I go slap like a wet box. I hope them have parking space for an elephant over you in. Yes man!